Hold on, hold on.
Keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? You said you care for me,
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Something for y'all to cut up to, you know? Yeah. Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. And you showing off.
What's up, it's your girl Lisa Shay, and I'm back with another video. Now, this video is past due, but I did Marley twist in March for spring break. You know, I wanted like a little natural look, and I also wanted like an ombre to give that kind of like spring flair, you know what I'm saying? And this is actually a video of a month and a half, the last day that I had these twists in, and look at the roots. Look at them roots. It looks like it's coming out my scalp, and that's exactly why I wanted to do this style, because when it gets older, bitch, it just looks more natural and shit. So let me show you how I did the damn thing. So I started off on blown out hair, and it's a look. Now, obviously, you have to have a rat tail comb on deck now. And before we continue this video, I have to interrupt because it just wouldn't be my video if I did not show you what your intro could have been. Like, your bitch did like a whole fucking like rap, and she attempted to make like a music video, in which of course I didn't finish, but I think it's only fair that you guys get to see it.
New hair, who this? Tell me who that is with them cute Marley twists. Susie tryna touch me, that bitch might get pot. Tryna say I'm not hot. Now you know you need to stop, cause I might be feisty. Hair's looking nicely. Never been the one to have my crown looking tacky. Keep my hair done, so I'm out here looking fleeky. All those growing out your scalp. Bitch, it might be, yeah. Bitch, it might be. As you see, I'll probably go beat, cause I don't know who I'm tryna be. Oh, yeah. I ain't really rapping, see. Judging by this rap, I'm struggling with this flow, you see. Freestyling ain't for me, but it ain't supposed to be just spitting nonsense. Someone please say you making me just trying to have fun, just a little bit of therapy. If these little bitch just chill and about me, now I'm trying to show you what you came to see. But let's just take in his masterpiece.
And we're back. As you can see, I use Features Equal Cuban Twist hair. I had some shears on deck just to trim my hair a bit. Some water just to keep my hair from being so dry, and also keep the hair that I'm installing not so dry. Wide tooth comb, a clip, Blue Magic. And I think this hair is in OT30, but I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know down below or somewhere in the video. And right now I'm kind of, you know, using the rat tail comb to kind of, you know, get it a little bit more combed out and detangled before installing. And now I'm trimming. I looked at this and I think I did a horrible job at, you know, trimming my hair, but you know what, it's gonna grow back. I'm not a professional, and you know, hair is hair. And after this, you're gonna see me taking the hair that I'm about to install, and I'm going to spray it with some water and also put some Blue Magic on it. And I'm also, you know, making sure to fluff it out a little bit. The good thing about this hair is that it's already fluffed out, but you know, you could do a little bit more fluffing out, and putting that water on it really makes a difference, because this hair is dry as hell, and that's what I saw on YouTube, and I saw people spraying it with water and stuff, and I was like, I got to do it too, I guess. So right now I'm also just, you know, stretching it out and stuff before installing. And now, you know, I'm about to do what they call the invisible root method, and I'm doing a very poor job at showing you guys this, and I think I'm actually, like, in real life right here doing a really horrible job at doing the invisible root method. But you know, it worked for me. It you know, I didn't have to, you know, reinstall or anything. It worked. It stayed intact, so I guess we're good. And right here you can see me putting the clip right there, just so that it's not like twisting my hair at the roots as I continue to twist down, because that can happen and it can be painful, and then your hair is, you know, just like pulling and pulling, and that just kind of keeps it, you know, kind of stable, so you don't have to feel that tension. Ooh, you see how I like explained that? Oh, you see it fell? Wow. You know, I'm looking at this now and I did not know that it fell in the video. Wow. But anyways, you know, I'm just continuing to twist on down. You know, just twisting on down and down and down. And right now I'm just showing you once again, you know, the whole step by step of what I did. And now you can see me, you know, really like twisting at the ends. Not all the way to the end, because obviously I don't think I had enough footage of that for some reason. Like, honestly, when I was filming this video, I got real tired. I was like, this is taking longer than what I expected and nothing's turning out the right way. But you get the gist, you know. I just kind of continue to twist, and if there wasn't enough hair on one of the sides, I just would take part of the other side, if that makes any sense. And now we're back to where we started at the beginning of the video, but this time some of my hair is already taken out. Right now I'm just, you know, taking it down, you know, and I'm just gonna get started. Now, I'm aware that I could have started off by just cutting the Marley twist, but, you know, I have this, like, great fear that I'm going to accidentally, you know, cut my hair, because my hair has just grown so long within the braids, and it's a very irrational fear, but I just had to make sure. And as you can see, as I get to the top, I kind of just, like, you know, roll it on down, you know, roll it on down, and afterwards, I kind of try and, you know, with my fingers, because as you can see, I have a lot of buildup right here. I should have got some water to kind of deal with that, but I just kind of use my fingers to kind of loosen and kind of fluffing out my hair. I can't find the right words, so, but you know what I mean. And I think I'm just going to allow the rest of the video to speak for itself, because the rest of this is just me taking out my twist, and honestly, there's not much more to it. I just wanted you guys to see the installation. That sounds better. And also see me take them out, even if this is boring. It might be, you know, pretty interesting, because, you know, this is hair porn right here. But anyways, let me stop talking and you guys enjoy the rest of the video. as you can see, you know, I'm unraveling my last twist and had to sneeze there and sneeze and a twist is, I tried to do a Beyonce lyric, as you can see there, but I was unsuccessful. And you know what, this slow motion just made me, you know, really laugh because I was really like trying, you know, I was serving faces and stuff, but when you put it in slow motion, I feel like I kind of look kind of stupid though. But anyways, it's all out. My hair is free. I'm feeling fresh. I'm feeling liberated. Until I had, you know, to, you know, wash my hair and detangle my hair even more. I actually tried to go out with this hairstyle and then realized, sis, it's not gonna work. You got to go ahead and detangle that thing. But anyways, here we are, all twist out and stuff, looking cute. Now, unfortunately, we have made it to the end of the video, and your girl, Lisa Shay, will see you later.
New hair, who this? Tell me who that is with them cute Marley twists. Susie trying to touch me, her bitch might get popped. Trying to say I'm not hot, now you know you need to stop, cause I might be feisty. Hair's looking nice. Never been the one to have my crown looking tacky. Keep my hair done, so I'm out here looking fresh. All this growing at your scalp. Bitch, it might be, yeah, bitch, it might be. As you see, I'll probably go be, cause I don't know who's gonna be whoa. Yeah, I ain't really ready to see. Judging by this rap, I'm struggling with this flow. You see, freestyling that for me, but it ain't supposed to be. She's getting nonsense, something please, say the mouth of me. Just trying to have fun, just a little bit of